Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Honda Ridgeline in neutral. We will cover two primary methods: the standard procedure for everyday use and a crucial manual override for situations where your vehicle might lose power. Knowing both techniques ensures you are prepared for various circumstances, whether you are towing, performing maintenance, or dealing with an unexpected electrical issue. This guide will help you confidently manage your Ridgeline's transmission. For the standard method, first ensure your Honda Ridgeline is completely stopped. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, move the gear selector from park or drive directly into the neutral position. You should feel a distinct click as it engages. This method is straightforward and used for routine tasks like short-distance towing or when you need to briefly disengage the transmission. Always confirm the N indicator light is illuminated on your dashboard. If your Ridgeline loses power, you will need to use the manual override. First, locate the small shift lock-release access cover near the gear selector. Gently pry it open with a small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool. Inside, you will find a button. Press and hold this button down while simultaneously moving the gear selector into the neutral position. This bypasses the electronic lock, allowing you to shift even without power. Remember, always engage the parking brake immediately after putting your Ridgeline into neutral, especially on an incline, to prevent unintended movement. Never tow your vehicle for long distances in neutral without consulting your owner's manual for specific towing procedures, as this can cause transmission damage. Your manual provides detailed information unique to your Ridgeline model, ensuring safe and proper operation in all situations.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.